Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla's Elon Musk remains engaged in Twitter strategy, without limitation, filing shows. Tesla's Cybertruck wiper blade close-up hints at extremely practical design. Tesla Roadster reservations reopen, ahead of 2023 production. And Tesla delivers first Model Y vehicles with 4680 batteries from Giga Texas. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Twitter CEO Parag Agrawal recently announced that Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk will not be part of Twitter's board of directors on April 9. The Twitter CEO did acknowledge Elon Musk's position as the company's biggest stakeholder, noting that it will always value input from our shareholders. Now, an amended regulatory filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has clarified that while Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk would not be joining Twitter's board of directors, he may still engage with the social media company's management on a variety of discussions. Musk would be able to do this without limitation. Musk's update on his role as Twitter's single largest shareholder was reflected in an amendment to a Schedule 13D filing, which was dated on Monday, April 11, 2022. As per the purpose of transaction outlined in the document, Musk might acquire and sell additional Twitter shares as he sees fit. Interestingly enough, a seat on Twitter's board of directors would have limited Musk's stake in the company to 14.9%. But with Musk declining the appointment, he could now acquire more of Twitter. The amended filing also noted that Musk could discuss a variety of key topics with Twitter's management and board of directors. These topics include Twitter's products and services, possible mergers in the future, and governance issues. The amended filing further highlighted that Musk would be free to express his opinions about Twitter on social media or speak with the company's executives using the platform. From time to time, the reporting person may engage in discussions with the board and or members of the issuer's management team concerning, including, without limitation, potential business combinations and strategic alternatives, the business, operations, capital structure, governance, management, strategy of the issuer, and other matters concerning the issuer. The reporting person may express his views to the board and or members of the issuer's management team and or the public through social media or other channels with respect to the issuer's business, products, and service offerings, the filing read. Moving to the next update, Tesla Cybertruck wiper blade close-up hints at extremely practical design. To state that the Tesla Cybertruck's wiper blades have inspired their own fair set of headlines would be an understatement. Since the vehicle's unveiling and the subsequent sightings of its updated prototypes began, the Cybertruck's windshield wipers have been a point of focus among electric vehicle fans. Tesla did not equip its first Cybertruck prototype with a wiper during the vehicle's unveiling back in November 2019. Back then, speculations were abounding that Tesla would be using an innovative wiper system for the vehicle's production version. Patents from Tesla suggested wild options, including a folding, single-blade wiper and a system that uses lasers to get water off the windshield. Eventually, updated alpha prototypes of the steel, all-electric pickup showed that Tesla was exploring a far simpler option, an extremely large, physical windshield wiper. The single large wiper on the updated Cybertruck prototypes incited quite a bit of criticism among electric vehicle enthusiasts on social media, and Tesla CEO Elon Musk later admitted that the updated wiper setup actually troubles him the most about the vehicle. Musk further noted that a deployable wiper system that could stow in the frunk would be a great option, but such a system would be very complex. Considering that the Cybertruck is a utility vehicle, the presence of overly complicated systems might be detrimental. As per images of the Cybertruck's current prototypes in Gigafactory, Texas, however, it appears that Tesla is already exploring something extremely practical for its all-electric pickup truck. As revealed in a close-up photo of the Cybertruck taken during the Cyber Rodeo celebrations last Thursday, the all-electric pickup truck's single, giant wiper is actually comprised of two smaller, regular-sized blades. Such a solution actually received some positive remarks from the electric vehicle community online. The setup, after all, should make it extremely easy to replace the Cybertruck's wipers when needed. Its placement on one side of the vehicle also suggests that owners would not need to jump on the tire and lean forward just to gain access to the pickup's wiper. While undoubtedly practical, however, it is undeniable that the Cybertruck's massive single wiper still looks very utilitarian and traditional compared to the rest of the all-electric pickup truck. Overall, Tesla is still working on the Cybertruck, though Elon Musk seems to be intent on making the vehicle as Tesla's ultimate creation to date. Thus, features such as its wiper system could still change as the Cybertruck nears production. Moving to the next update, Tesla Roadster reservations reopen ahead of 2023 production. Reservations for the next-generation Tesla Roadster have reopened after Elon Musk announced that the company would start production in 2023. Anyone interested in a next-gen Tesla Roadster can reserve one on the company's official website. Tesla requires a $5,000 credit card payment for the Roadster, due on the spot, and a $45,000 wire transfer 10 days after the initial order. The $5,000 credit card payment is fully refundable. Tesla does not state whether the $45,000 wire transfer is refundable, but reservations will not be final until the wire transfer is officially received. The next-generation Tesla Roadster debuted in November 2017 during the semi-unveiling. Many people might still remember Tesla chief designer Franz von Holzhausen driving the new Roadster out of a semi. It has been at least 4 years since Tesla unveiled the next-generation Roadster. The Tesla chief designer talked a bit about the Roadster during his appearance on the Spike Car Radio podcast in February 2022. Holzhausen shared that Tesla was working hard on developing the all-electric supercar. "We are working on the Roadster. I wish it was, we were working faster, but I have to also say that in the time that we've been developing it, we've also been learning a lot. Like, Plaid is a great learning platform that all those experiences will, make its way back to a much better Roadster than had we launched right after when we debuted it," Holzhausen said. Now, Tesla is more equipped for Roadster production, with Giga Texas starting to grow roots and the 4680 battery cell in production. Tesla still has some challenges ahead. Elon Musk always notes that getting from prototype to production isn't easy. Lithium supplies will probably be one of the challenges Tesla faces as it aims to produce not just the Roadster, but also the Cybertruck and Semi. "We'll be in production with Cybertruck next year. We'll be in production with the Roadster and with Semi. So that's all coming. This year is all about scaling up. Next year it's gonna be a massive wave of new products," Musk said during his talk at the Cyber Rodeo last week. Moving to the last update, Tesla delivers first Model Y vehicles with 4680 batteries from Giga Texas. After the Cyber Rodeo grand opening event, Tesla officially delivered the first production Model Y vehicles with 4680 batteries from Gigafactory Texas. On Friday, April 8, Elon Musk officially announced that the first production Model Y units were delivered. He thanked the Tesla team for their hard work. Over the weekend, Tesla technician Regan Jansen announced that she received the first Model Y with 4680 battery cells produced in Giga Texas on LinkedIn. Jansen happens to be an engineering process technician at Tesla. She started her Tesla career just last month. Jansen didn't elaborate on her new Tesla Model Y much in her LinkedIn post. She did not disclose the variant she received. Jansen also didn't state how many Model Y units with 4680 battery cells were delivered. However, it makes sense that a Tesla employee received one of the first Model Y vehicles from Giga Texas. Tesla's first deliveries are usually handed over to employees. During Cyber Rodeo though, Tesla debuted the Model Y standard range with 4680 cells. The debut of the base Model Y with 4680 cells hinted that Tesla might have started production at Giga Texas with the standard range variant. Although, Tesla usually kicks off deliveries with the performance variant. Before Giga Texas's grand opening event, Tesla 22 announced that he expected to take delivery at Cyber Rodeo. "I got more than I ever expected. It's wonderful," he told Teslarati. Based on his announcement before Cyber Rodeo, he had an order for a Model Y long range. As Tesla Giga Texas ramps production, more Tesla Model Y vehicles with 4680 battery cells will be delivered across the United States. It would be interesting to test the differences between the Model Y with 4680 cells and the Model Y with Tesla's other cells. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the Electric Arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.